One single file, a Google Doc, no ads, no product launch, no team, and in 3 weeks, it made me more than my monthly paycheck. In this video, I'm going to answer some big questions. How can a Google Doc turn into real money? What kind of document are people actually willing to pay for? Do you need to be an expert, or can you just be helpful? And finally, could you create a file right now that earns even while you sleep? If you've ever felt like you're stuck trading time for money, this story might unlock a new path for you. Let's rewind. I was working a full-time job in marketing, earning around Rs 58,000 per month. Rent, bills, groceries, and a few weekend outings left me with almost nothing. Savings, practically zero. But I had one thing most people don't realize is valuable, a process I had refined over time, something I used almost daily at work. And I had written it down in a simple Google Doc. At work, colleagues kept asking me how I managed to consistently write emails that got high open rates. I had a system, subject line formulas, A/B test templates, call to action scripts. Instead of explaining every time, I shared my doc. Word spread. Someone outside work DM'd me. "Can I get access to your cold email doc? I'll pay for it if needed." That's when it clicked. Wait. What if this file is worth more than I thought? I cleaned it up, added a short introduction and some examples, linked a Notion board for tracking responses, uploaded it to Gumroad as the Cold Email Playbook for Freelancers and Marketers, priced at Rs 6.99. Then I made a simple post on Twitter and LinkedIn. Use this doc to get 42% open rates and land clients. Just uploaded it for anyone who wants to stop getting ignored. No fluff. Rs 6.99, link below. Within 6 hours, I made my first sale, then 2 more. By the end of day 2, I had Rs 4,893 in sales. I started replying to comments and sharing short insights from the doc. One tweet went semi-viral. Day 4, Rs 10, 186 total. Here's what really surprised me. People who bought the doc shared it, not illegally. They shared the link to buy it. One guy said, "I just landed 3 leads from your script. I told 5 friends to get it." Another asked me to run a private workshop. I charged Rs 2,500 each, 9 people joined. By week 3, I had earned over Rs 63,000 just from the file and 1 workshop. The document had just 4 sections: winning subject line formulas, client conversion, email templates response tracker, Google Sheet, my personal 7-day cold outreach plan. That's it. No overdesign, no platform, just results people could plug in. Here are 5 lessons you can apply if you want to turn what you know into income. Your boring file might be valuable to someone else. People pay for shortcuts, not stories. You don't need an audience. Just proof it works. You're not selling paper, you're selling clarity. Keep it simple, but sharp. Don't try to impress, aim to help. After that month, I kept refining the doc. Added FAQs, updated templates, increased price to Rs 9,999. It's now made me over Rs 8 lakhs in total with no team, no ads, no office. And most importantly, it showed me what's possible with the knowledge I already had. This is not a story about selling files. It's a story about recognizing that what's normal for you is gold for someone else. That doc paid me more than my boss that month. And I didn't need to quit my job. I just needed to stop underestimating my experience. If this inspired you, hit the like button. Comment Google Doc, and I'll share a free checklist to help you package your own. Subscribe for more honest, no-scam ways to monetize what you already know. You already have something worth selling. You just don't see it yet.